Okay, this is my first base iFlight Nagual Evo. iFlight Nagual Evo. This one I'm going to upgrade the motor. So this way we're going to upgrade the motor. I use FPV2DC 1975 kV from iFligh. This motor, those are same kV. Okay, so let's see. So I will upgrade with this. I will upgrade this motor. The name is FPV2DC 1975 kV. Okay, I think this is most powerful kV. Okay, so I will use the 4 motor to upgrade. Okay, this one. This motor, I upgrade the motor. Okay, nice and clean. So the most important part is soldering thing. Okay? Okay, this motor, upgrading the motor. Okay, this is my first bit to upgrade the motor, and this is the receiver 2.4G diversity. 2.4G diversity. This receiver quite far. Okay, now I have to get and through. Okay. Like this, solar flat, or flat, yeah. Okay, all this is important. This shiny silver ball. Okay, I agreed to exit flying back the motor. So now soldering one by one. Okay, put here, just touch and go. Okay, okay, just touch and go. Okay, then here also, this one also touch and go. Okay, but don't touch each other. There's soldering, saber ball, need saber ball. Okay, okay, like that. Okay, now another one. Put this one. Don't touch each other. You just touch and go. Okay. This iFlight is very near each other. You never touch. Okay. Now okay. But if you don't touch each other, should be fine. Okay. That is the most important. Then this another one. Yes, this another one. Just put that way. You just touch and go. Okay, saber ball. Okay, saber ball. You just touch and go. Okay, now saber ball or saber ball. Okay. You need saber ball, you just apply more. Apply more, apply more. Okay, saber ball there, okay? You cannot touch each other, okay? This one too big. Okay, like that. Okay, this one too big. One, two, saber ball. This one also okay. Now this guy. Many solder. Make sure don't touch each other. Okay. Wow, this one touching to the other side. So this is one of the problem now. So this one also. You are not touch each other. Okay. Make sure you are not touch each other. Okay, now finishing in the butterfly. Okay, now time to check the motor rotation in the butterfly. To butterfly, so this saber ball here, saber ball here. Okay, make sure don't touch each other. Okay, now ready to now better. Very good ready now. Okay, chain ready. Okay. Now have to close now. Okay, now is put it back ready. Okay, the motor chain ready. Okay, so now is the O3 here. And receiver is here. This is receiver, and this antenna, and this power supply. This is GPS. Okay, let's see how can we use this. Okay, like that. Okay. Okay, let me see. In the goggle. Okay, goggle is working. Goggle is working. Okay, video connected. Now connect to iFlight. Okay, use Type C cable. Okay, Type C cable. Connect to iFlight. Validation. Okay, now check motor rotation. Number 3, power.